I'm just kidding. You could pet me. I'm sorry.
Our smart buddy hits different. Moving house feels effortless than ever.
Kermit, there's a guy outside and he wants to fight me, and the cat is with him and he wants to fight you.
Pregnancy produces higher body heat, and the warm belly becomes their ideal spot for making biscuits.
Hey! His head. But what do you think?
His winter coat is coming. Let me do it. No, I want to show. Sorry. Hey, you're not gonna. Hey, you! Oh.
Water. Just wait till the day buddy hold the cup. Looks like someone is
Bean. Can I touch you?
Duracell batteries in this little fuck.
He's got energy to burn, hasn't he?
Hey, está chingándome.
Friend, oh hello! Hello!
Sitting here with my door open and this thing came in.
I got me a motherfucking fork. You. Buddy. Oh, I got her. Oh. She's biting me.
Kitty, kitty. Wow, your name is Kitty?
Smart dudes don't see success as a destination, but as a stepping stone to a higher purpose.
Is so sweet. He's literally just the sweetest little
pretty princess. Come here.
Oh my goodness. Please don't fall.
When you're constantly on high alert, even the air feels like a personal threat.
Hey. Hey!
Let go, Rex. Oh my God. Oh my.
With corgis, you gotta watch the fridge.
As tarifas ficavam na casa de 2% das exportações, das importações, no caso, produtos europeus, para lá, esses caras não já existia antes da ciência de cada.
I just got a new wireless mouse. Let's check it out.
Shalalabosha.
Little black, hang on. Oh!
Oh my God.
No presents, and he won't leave my tape alone because he has a weird obsession with plastic. So this is what I do. Oh! Okay, ow.
Wait, do the thing. Oh my God.
Here. How about here? There? Okay.
Apparently, this.
What are you doing? Why are you still peeing? Magna!
They love working even more than we do. See you next time.
Wow, very... Wait lang ha. Pakita natin kay Mamong di tempo.
He's either very smart or very lucky.
No snack. I'm sorry that you're mad. No snack. Snack later for lunch, okay? No mad.
Are you happy, Kermit?
Scents might make someone shocked, but definitely not the smell of a cucumber, buddy.
Get down. Oh, God. Ivy. You're my best friend.
What the hell? What? Stop!
What do you think you're doing?
Did you just do that by yourself?
Yeah.
That dachshund really loves the sun, so he always drags his bed outside.
Hey. Hey!
What are you doing?
You do anything bad, I'm gonna spank you.
He was all white and fluffy. Now he's living his best mud life.
These two geniuses are like, so that's it. That's all there is to this lame game.
Oh, Kermit.
No, 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 no.
Time for smelling salts. What's this?
Oh,
I love her smile.
Angel is not doing his job. You have one job. Look behind you.
Bet when
I got me a motherfucking fork. You
see anything, buddy? Because all we see is the start of a failed mirror test. Doesn't matter what the machine actually does. If it saves a few steps, you'll take it, huh?
Hang on. Oh!
Get out with you.
Half of a cat.
This dog clearly has unfinished business with trees.
Did you steal the Wi-Fi? Did you?
Don't try it. No, Michael!
The dog's after knowing, watch out for your food bowl. Your time will come.
You're evil. Evil, evil.
Yeah. Maya, what are you doing?
Good boy. Clever Richmond. Oh. Oh.
Good boy, Kenneth.
Kermit, there's a guy outside and he wants to fight me, and the cat is with him and he wants to fight you.
Dog grooming probably seemed a lot more peaceful in theory.
She ain't moving.
Cats can help babies learn that caring for others is also happiness, and there's much joy in it.
No! Hey! Hey!
This motherfucker just ate my pizza.
Yo.
Mr. Chief, face the camera.
Oh my god! You are a fox. Funky.
Kermit, there's a guy outside and he wants to fight me, and the cat is with him and he wants to fight you.
What the just happened?
What? What is going on?
I am holding a letter. This is to my love, the most beautiful person I've never seen.
Yeah!
I find this cute.
Come on out.
Oh, hello.
A Lego Town event that's not open to...
Barkley, give me back. I got me a motherfucking fork. You.
I like to go, which I was bloody upset about. Oh no.
Off.
Big.
Come on, this thing isn't even showing a sign of moving, my Mr. Coward.
Stop hunting me. Why are you?
How scary can a smart one get when hungry? Like this.
Sometimes you just gotta let the wind run through your hair.
We are not strong enough.
This furbal's imagination is really vivid when finding this blue stuff a threat to you. For a sleep addict, this is definitely an essential skill for getting some high-quality shut-eye.
It's okay.
Oh!
No, no, no.
And oh, hello! Hello!
What? What is going on?
As they realize the baby grows larger, their protective instinct becomes even more apparent.
Sitting here with my door open and this thing came in.
Miss Johnson!
You could have gone the other way. Come on. You're so funny.
Oh my god.
Even a tortoise can't
You're evil.
Evil, evil.
Stop. Kyle! Fucking.
So what was going on? Are you swimming? Are we?
Oh my.
아니 이 형아 입을 왜 먹어? 미친놈이야.
I'm skating with sugar, and what is this? What is that?
Yeah.
Thank you.
The folks, Snoop Doggy Dogg and Dr. Dre.
Guess who hates baths and gets wet easily but still loves places full of water and detergents?
Oh. You wanna come?
Oh my god. Is he actually? Oh my. Is Karen? Is this?
Adopting furballs this smart, you also got to accept that your stuff is going to...
Oh, hello.
Op, op.